everyone. Matthew 6:21 says, "Where your treasure is, there your heart will also." Yes, my dear friends, God values our hearts and actions over wealth and pride. True richness comes from kindness and helping others. Like the Good Samaritan, it's not about status, but about showing mercy and love. Yes, my dear friends, let's seek to be rich in compassion and generosity, reflecting God's love in all we do. This is the true treasure that truly matters to God, because God has been compassionate to us. Let's be compassionate to others. That is the true wealth what God expects from us. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed. Help each other. God will always help you back. Thank you. God bless you.